Hello everybody, in this video I just want to show you that what we are going to cover in this course. So in the introduction section of the course, I just want to show you how to download and install the required softwares and tools for this course, like the Java JDK, Java JVM, Eclipse, and the Android Studio. And then in the Java section of the course, I'll teach you the basics of Java programming language, and then the object-oriented concepts of Java, and finally I'll teach you the advanced Java programming language. And then in the final section of the course, in the Android section, we are going to build 30 applications in the basics of Android programming section, 30 complete Android application. And then I'll teach you the intermediate Android programming by building 40 complete Android applications from scratch. And finally, I'll teach you the advanced Android programming by building 30 more complete Android applications. And at the end of the course, you are going to be a complete rockstar Android developer. So please don't hesitate to ask any questions. I'll answer all of your questions. And please practice every skill that you gain throughout this course. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.